Hello, this is a video talking about downloading and installing the WPI library, which will include all the VS Code stuff you need, just basically getting everything set up. It's like the first step in getting set up for a season, just usually during whenever kickoff happens. A lot of times this does get updated throughout the year, but it's not a huge deal there. So you're going to go to this website, which should be in the description here. And then inside of this, you'll see this. If you want to, you can just go through the text if you're easier and prefer just going through and reading it. This should take you through the entire setup process. But for if you want to watch the video, there's just this download for Windows. I already have gotten it downloaded, so I'll just open this up over here. And there should be this option for mount. So if you're on Windows 10, it'll just give you this option. Some of the other ones you might have to download 7-zip and then extract to WPI Windows. But just mount it and open. And then inside of here, if you look, you're just going to see that there's this WPILib installer. It's going to run this guy right here. And this Windows is going to be angry with you. It's going to be the WPI library. So run it anyway. And this is all installing stuff, so it is take a little bit of patience depending on the Wi-Fi you're using. So you start. There's the options between tools only and everything, as well as this install for this user, install for all users. You can actually scroll down inside the website as well, and it'll show what all the different things do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do everything and install for this user. And then I just want to download this for this computer, which this might take a second. So I will most likely cut this part out of the video and I will be back. Okay, so it'll give you done downloading, press next to continue. And then it's going to go into this extracting, which will most likely take longer than the actual downloading was going to take. This is also most likely going to take a second, so this might be another cut in here. But after this is installed, it should just put it as a shortcut on your desktop. And don't be surprised when it's running all these files, it's double checking all this stuff. Okay, so now we have the installer with finished installing. Just hit finish. Now, all this should be set. I think you are able to delete this file in here if you want to, because it's just the installer. But then that's my old VS Code in there. If 2024 WPI library VS Code. And this inside here will be where we start up with looking at any of our other stuff. Just as a general thing, would recommend looking through here, setting up themes, just making it a nice user interface. There's extensions in here, which there are some of these that I would recommend downloading. And then in here will be how you control all of your Git stuff, which we'll look at in a later video. But overall, that is how you set up your VS Code and all of your WPI library works. So all of the other things that we use from now on will be through this VS Code. But thanks for checking in here. Bye-bye.